So this is Leh Manali Delhi bus. It's morning around 3:31. It departures from Leh at exactly 4 a.m. So let us go. We have already booked tickets yesterday. Sunny 4, 5, 6. Are they correct? Number ticket you ticket.
I am asking
4,
my
5, 6
son
front seats.
to sit on the seats allotted. The seat numbers which were allotted yesterday for us to travel
7,
today
8, 9 kada.
are
10, 11. So कुछ sleep port को.
so we booked 3 seaters in this bus starting from Leh to Keelong and then Manali and to Delhi.
So we are waiting for the bus. In the previous video you have seen I have made my son to board the bus in the bus stand, Leh bus stand, and we are now near KV staff quarters and we are waiting for the bus, and the bus already departed from the Leh bus stand. It is around 6 a.m. We are waiting, maybe within 5 minutes the bus may come to this place. And if you want to travel from Leh to Delhi by this by road and by this bus, then one day before you have to go to the bus stand, Leh bus stand, and you have to book the tickets from the HRTC bus driver. Tickets will not be issued by the Jammu and Kashmir or Leh Ladakh depot clerk, or it is not in the booking counter. You will not get the tickets in the booking counter. You have to go to the bus driver, HRTC bus driver, one day before the journey, and you have to book the tickets. From Leh to Delhi, the direct bus is there, but it is actually 2 buses. From Leh to Keelong, they will give you the ticket, and from Keelong again you have to purchase the ticket and you have to travel to Delhi. But the board says that the direct bus Leh to Delhi, but it is not like direct bus. So from Keelong to from Leh to Keelong one bus, and from Keelong to Delhi is a deluxe bus. From Leh to Keelong they charged 2010 rupees for 3 tickets, so I suppose it is around 650 or 700 rupees. And from Keelong to Delhi they will charge again maybe around 1000 or 1100 rupees, and it's a non-stop journey from Leh to Delhi. Like morning around not around exactly 4 a.m. the bus departures from the Leh bus stand, and it will reach Keelong by 6:30 or 7 p.m. in the evening. And from Keelong again we have to catch the bus and we have to go to Delhi. Next day maybe afternoon 11 or 11:30 will reach the Delhi. So we are waiting for the bus now. So the buses are coming. 2 buses are coming. 1 bus we have to catch. So the buses are coming. So first bus we should not board. Second bus we have to board. My son already called me and told me. So this is the bus which goes to some other place via this route, and we have to go by this bus. So this is the bus which is coming. We have to board the bus. So this bus will take us from Manali, Leh to Keelong, and then we have to board the bus. Now let us go. Sunny. The bus stopped at Upsi. We crossed Kharu, and from here it is Leh 47 kilometers. So the bus stopped here, and this is the route. If you go towards right side, then we'll go to Manali. From here, Manali, it is 424 kilometers, and if you go this side, we'll go to Chumatang. Already have shown in one video from this place to Chumatang. So we are heading towards Manali, which is for 425 kilometers away from this place, and Chandigarh is 674 kilometers, and there is no signboard for Delhi. But this bus is a connecting bus from Keelong to Delhi. So we stopped near Upsi. So this side, if you go, we'll go to Manali, Keelong, Manali, Delhi, and if you go towards my backside, this side behind, then we'll go to Chumatang. So we are in Upsi. Tipu 108 సార్లు లేపు 108 సార్లు. చాలు बस जर्नी करने के लिए 1 साल से वेट कर रहा हूँ मैं.
अच्छा तो आपका इंतजार खत्म हुआ.
हाँ, इंतजार खत्म हो गया. पूरा बर्फ गिर रहा है.
तो ठीक है. कितना ज़्यादा भी नहीं गिरना चाहिए, ये दे जाए.
पिछले मंथ में टैक्सी में गया था कार में, जैसे ही ओपन हुआ रोड.
अच्छा.
So we stopped the bus before reaching Tanglangla Pass, and the snowfall is happening over this place. So you can see this place snowfall, and we are going to travel all through this snow. Rani,
हेलो दोस्तों, आ जाओ, आ जाएंगे ऊपर.
రాణి ఏం చేస్తాను? చలో చలో, ఇంకా ముందుంది. వీడియోలు చేస్తున్నా. We are about to reach Tanglangla Pass. Now there is no road at all from here to Tanglangla. This is one of the most difficult and dangerous roads to travel and to drive also. చూడు సన్నీ, స్నో wall. Sunny, చూడు మళ్ళీ చేతులు చూడు. मैं शूट कर रहा हूँ ना, मेरा YouTube चैनल में डाल देंगे, आ जाएंगे आप. అదున్ని బా స్నో వాల్స్. We are about to reach Tanglangla Pass. It's snowfall happening and no road over here, and it's completely covered, and you can see the wobbling of this bus. मजा आ रहा डीजल फिल कर रहे हैं क्या? डीजल आपका नाम बताइए रवि जी. खुलवंत. आप? दीप. ఎట్లుంది ఎట్లుంది సని? చల్లగుందా, వెచ్చగుందా, వేడిగుందా? రాని సని చలి బాగుందా? We are somewhere in the middle between Sarchu and Debring. So this is the stop where generally buses stop and bikers stop for breakfast. So we are about to leave this place and we will go to Sarchu now. धुआं भी आ रहा है, हवा. खिड़की खोलो.
कमर में दर्द, जब कोई आएगा तब देखेंगे, नहीं आएगा कोई तो चलो देखो
बस ब्रेक डाउन just after crossing this breakfast point. Got breakdown because of some issue, so people are stranded over here. just after completing breakfast, we face this problem. Slightly raining also. The bus got broke down. Now many passengers, they are leaving the bus and they are boarding this kind of trucks to travel to Keelong and Manali. But we were told not to move because this is a Delhi bus. Until this bus goes to Keelong, the connecting bus will not leave to Delhi. So there is no use of going to Keelong. So these are the passengers waiting. So the driver has returned without any mechanic, but now we are going to take risk and we are going to travel by in this bus only, by this route. Now let us see what will happen hereafter.